Tech without tears, you don't need to code. Hey there, so you've heard tech is the future, right? But maybe you're thinking, I can't code to save my life, do I even have a chance? Absolutely. You don't have to be a hardcore programmer to land a tech job. In fact, there are tons of roles in tech that don't involve coding at all. Stick around and I'll show you how to break into this booming industry step by step. Your secret weapon, transferable skills. Alright, first things first, let's talk about you. You bring a lot to the table even if you've never set foot in Silicon Valley. Seriously, those skills you picked up in your previous life, they're gold. Maybe you were the king or queen of customer service, handling those interesting shoppers with a smile. Or maybe you were managing inventory, basically doing mini logistics every day. Think about it. Tech companies need people who can communicate clearly, solve problems on the fly, and manage their time like a boss. Those are all transferable skills, and you've probably been honing them for years without even realizing it. The non-coding tech universe. Now let's dive into the actual roles you can land in tech without writing a single line of code. And trust me, these aren't just side gigs. We're talking about crucial positions that keep the tech world spinning. First up, we've got product managers. These folks are like the CEOs of their products, working with designers, developers, and the marketing team to take an idea from a sketch on a napkin to a full-blown reality. Then there's the world of technical writing. If you can explain complex stuff in a way that even your grandma can understand, this might be your calling. You'll be crafting user manuals, tutorials, and all sorts of documentation that make tech less intimidating. Next, we have data analysts. Now I know what you're thinking. Data? Numbers? Isn't that like math heavy? Don't worry. You don't need to be a calculus whiz. Basic Excel skills and a little SQL knowledge can go a long way, and those are super easy to learn online. And for all you creative minds out there, how about UX UI design? If you have a knack for aesthetics and a passion for making things user-friendly, you can design the look and feel of websites and apps that people actually enjoy using. Last but not least, we've got the customer support heroes, customer success and support specialists. If you genuinely love helping people and troubleshooting tech hiccups, this role lets you be the friendly voice that guides users through the digital maze. The takeaway here? There's a whole universe of non-coding roles in tech just waiting for you to explore. Okay, so you don't need to be a coding ninja to break into tech, but brushing up on some basic tech skills can definitely give you an edge. Think of it like learning a few key phrases in a new language. It helps you navigate the conversation and shows you're serious about immersing yourself in the culture. Don't worry, we're not talking about building the next Facebook here. Platforms like Coursera, Khan Academy, and even good old YouTube have tons of resources to help you grasp tech fundamentals. Get familiar with terms like Agile and Scrum and maybe dabble in some basic SQL queries. Trust me, even a little knowledge can go a long way in impressing potential employers. And hey, why not put those newfound skills to the test? Volunteer to help a local nonprofit revamp their website or offer to give your friends' small businesses' online presence a makeover. These hands-on projects are like mini boot camps that show you're proactive and ready to tackle real-world challenges. Alright, now for the fun part, networking. And no, I'm not talking about awkwardly shoving business cards at people in stuffy conference halls. I'm talking about building genuine connections with people in the tech world. Start by connecting with folks on LinkedIn. Look for people who have your dream job titles or work at companies you admire. Send them a personalized message expressing your interest in their work and asking a thoughtful question or two. Remember, it's all about building relationships, not just firing off generic requests. Local meetups and online communities are also goldmines for networking opportunities. Look for events related to your interests, whether it's UX design, product management, or anything in between. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations, ask questions, and share your own experiences. You never know where these interactions might lead. And there you have it. Transferable skills, a wide range of non-coding roles, basic upskilling, and genuine networking. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to landing that first tech job. No coding bootcamp required. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more career tips. See you in the next video.